Two-factor authentication, not working on Moka App Fix. If your two-factor authentication isn't working on the Moka app, don't worry, it's usually a small issue that's easy to fix. Most people assume it's a major technical failure, but the surprising truth is that it often comes down to simple settings or app sync problems. Start by checking your phone's time settings. Go into your device settings and make sure Set Automatically is turned on. Two-factor authentication codes depend on perfect timing between your phone and Moka servers. Even a few seconds off can cause failures. Next, open your App Store and check for any updates to the Moka app. Using an outdated version can cause issues with login verification. Once you update, restart the app and try again. If you use an authenticator app like Google Authenticator or Authy, open it and choose Sync Time for codes. This ensures your generated codes match Moka's system exactly. If your verification code is sent by SMS and doesn't arrive, disable your VPN and switch to mobile data. Some networks block automated authentication messages. If you recently switched phones or deleted your authenticator app, you can't access two-factor authentication. Link on the login screen. Moka support team will verify your identity and help you reset your phone securely. For persistent problems, uninstall and reinstall the Moka app. This clears old cache files and refreshes your connection to Moka's secure servers. Once your phone time, app version, and network are in sync, your two-factor authentication should start working again. Remember, this small extra step is what keeps your personal savings data and financial details safe. Even when it causes a bit of frustration, it's one of the best ways to protect your account from unauthorized access.